Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I have my Freckled Fawn December kit to share with you guys. And I also got an extra goodie for you guys. I'm going to be giving away one of the packs of journaling cards. So all you need to do is leave me a comment down below and be a subscriber here. So you'll be entered to win that. So let's go ahead and walk through everything. So for the Freckled Fawn kits, you have three options. You can get just the embellishment kit itself, you can get the embellishment kit plus the journaling cards, or you can get the embellishment kit plus the brand new 12 by 12 pattern papers, which are beautiful. And so I want to go ahead and walk through all the pieces. I guess we'll start with the embellishment kit and then move from there. I did talk with Doe about the zipper pouches. They are going to be different. They're, I guess, trying new things, and they're trying to get something that's a little bit more eco-friendly. And so this was the option that they came up with, which I actually really like. I said it in the first video, I like this much better than the sewn ones. I find the sewn ones kind of cumbersome around the edges, and I really just love the clean, sleek nature of this particular way of doing it. So I hope that they stick with these. I know there were a couple of people who said that they didn't like them as much, but I love them. I think they're great. You can fold them in half and use them in the traveler's notebooks, which is awesome. I do like this kind of zipper much better than the other zipper. Anyway, I'll walk you through. I love the pouch with the little hearts, and so you get some glitter washi. Hopefully you guys aren't getting too much of a glare. It's got stars on it, which is super duper cute. I love that. And then walking through, we've got some wood chips. I'm gonna go ahead and open everything up because I do have my studio lights on and it does create a glare. So get the little borders, and I think these are really good size. They could be, that's what I thought. They were 3 inches, so they can go on journaling cards, which is awesome. It's a really good size. So there are those. And then some resin shapes, which I can already tell I'm in love with these. I love the little candy cane and the mittens. Oh, there's a little cocoa, and this one says Holly Jolly. Really cute. All right, and then there's some little rhinestone stars in red, which is perfect for Christmas. You guys can see those. And then this is a pack of die cut shapes, which I don't know that they have done die cut shapes before, so I'm interested to look at these up close. I like that they're already punched out, you know, but I do see some tabs on here. I'm really particular about die cuts, so I see the teeny tiniest little tabs on these where they were punched out, so I would just use my cutter bee scissors and cut those. Let's go ahead and look through them. Ooh, there's a really big one for journaling. It says perfection. There's a lot of them, so very thankful. Winter. All I want for Christmas. Ooh, a scallop, which is really cool. That looks like 6 inches across, so it'd be good for a journaling card. Merry and bright. I love you so very much. Wow, there's a bunch of these. To and from. Family time is the best. A label, which is really beautiful. Let's stay home all day. And there's a star, and I see this one's pulled a little bit, but I can just trim that off. A little triangle Christmas tree. There's another triangle. Ooh, I love that. A little snowflake. Hopefully you guys can see these all right. And then a word bubble. To, from again. A little journaling circle that says date. Let's celebrate love. I love these. Yes. Favorite. That's beautiful too. Ooh, I like that label. I just love these. They're so pretty. The holidays are here. And then there's a little label. Ooh, that's a cute label too. There's a little banner. A little label with hearts. Happiest of days. December. A little square frame. Welcome winter, and more of this. So I really like those. They're good thickness too. They're like a cardstock thickness. And then one of my favorites that I saw from the sneak peeks is this epoxy sticker sheet. They're hearts, but they've got like little doily accents on them, which I think are really beautiful, and I love the colors of these. And then, of course, labels are always great. Hopefully you guys can see that. Always a fan of labels, especially these longer ones are great for dates and stuff. And then these are vellum stickers. I'll take these out so you don't get as much shine on them. It looks like just one single sheet. Love the big December and the scripty. Beautiful. And then last thing in the embellishment kit are the puffy alphas. That same kind of thin puffy alpha, but it's just the uppercase. You're getting a little bit of a glare off of the backer sheet. They are so cute. I love those. And again, I want these in like every color. I hope they do more colors of these. Super cute. So that is the embellishment kit itself. So let's go ahead and look at the journaling tags or journaling cards. And then we'll look at the papers. So just love today. You end up getting 2 cards and they're double-sided. So let's see if we can do this so you guys can see both sides. So that's a front and back. It says, waiting all year for this moment and stay cozy. And it says, on this winter day, and I love the hearts. That matches one of the label shapes. And you got some plaid with the candy cane, which is cute. The cocoa or coffee mugs. It says the days of the week on there. Stripes, which are really cute. And then the diagonals. You could do labeling or journaling on that. Love that stripe. Let me explain. Favorite story of the year. And then green stripes with hearts on the other side with some grid. That's cute. And this looks like gumdrops. And then a little diagonal pattern there. So really, really cute for those. I especially love that first card. Just love today. Now let's walk through the pattern paper. So with the pattern paper kits, you also get a couple of solids. With the pattern paper, you get 6 double-sided pattern papers and then 2 solids. So you get to coordinate which ones you want and they match perfectly. I love that when they include the solids, they match perfectly with the other colors in the kit. So those are the solids, and then let's walk through the pattern papers. Again, with that coffee mug cocoa pattern and some red stripes, which actually really mess with my eyes, but I am thinking they would be super duper cute to make alphas. You could do the diagonal lines for alphas, but like looking at it straight on, it messes with my eyes. And then I love this little stripy one. It's got a really pretty color to it. And then, ooh, that's pretty too, the stars. And then some diamonds with the little gumdrop pattern, snowflakes, and green pattern. And that looks very similar to a journaling card I've seen in the past from them, which is pretty. And that pretty plaid with some green. Looks like little almost stitch work. And then this one I love. It really has the vintage Christmas feel to it. Love that one. And then some red plaid, which is great for Christmas. So all in all, I'm just obsessed with this kit. I think it's beautiful. I've loved all of the sneak peeks, and now seeing the kit up close, I'm really, really excited to use it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this look at the December kit. Be sure to check the links down below so you guys can pick some up. I do have referral info. If you're interested in subscribing, you just use my referral info when you subscribe to the kit, and it entitles you to a $5 off coupon for your next purchase. So I hope you guys will give Freckled Fawn a try. I do actually still work for Freckled Fawn. I just absolutely love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.